What if people could sense the future impact of their choices before acting? Pathways is a speculative tool that helps people explore how their everyday decisions might affect their future well-being. Every day we make small choices, whether to stay up late scrolling, study for an exam, or save money instead of spending it. In the moment, these decisions feel small, but their effects often appear later as stress, low energy, or better focus. Pathways introduces a new sensory experience called future consequence awareness, allowing users to perceive the ripple effects of their decisions before they happen. As a user explores a choice, the app reveals ripple pathways that show possible impacts on things like stress, energy, sleep, and emotional balance. Instead of predicting the future, Pathways helps users reflect on their decisions and understand how small actions today can shape their well-being tomorrow. This diagram explains how Pathways works. It begins with a decision, like scrolling social media late at night. Pathways then visualizes the ripple effects of that choice on well-being signals such as energy, stress, sleep, focus, and mood. Instead of predicting the future, it highlights possible outcomes so users can reflect on their actions and choose a better path. In this example, we meet Maya, a college student preparing for an exam tomorrow night. It's already 11:30 p.m. and she's deciding whether to scroll social media or go to sleep. When Maya explores these options in Pathways, the app reveals two possible ripple paths. If she scrolls social media, it may lead to late sleep, low energy the next day, and increased exam stress. But if she chooses to sleep early, the ripple pathway shows a rested mind, better focus, and lower stress. By visualizing these ripple effects through well-being signals like energy, sleep, focus, and stress, Pathways helps Maya understand how her choice tonight could shape her well-being tomorrow. Let's check the demo of the interactive Pathways playground. We have a sidebar that shows the categories to select from various range of decision and consequences, card based on user interest. The navigation bar provides monitoring well-being signals through the radar dashboard and comparing different decision outcomes. Let's drag and drop the first decision card, Study Tonight. Then another possible action, Scroll Social Media, is added, creating a branching pathway. Pathways automatically begins generating ripple consequences, such as less sleep, higher stress, and reduced energy. As these nodes connect, the system visualizes their impact through a well-being radar, which dynamically updates metrics like energy, focus, mood, sleep, productivity, and stress. Next, the user explores alternative outcomes by extending the pathway and adding different actions like sleep early, exercise, or take a break. Each new decision produces a new ripple chain, allowing the system to simulate how the user's well-being could evolve over time. Pathways then calculates the overall effect of each decision chain and visually compares them. In the final step, the path comparison view appears, showing how different pathways affect well-being indicators. This allows the user to clearly see which path leads to better balance, higher energy, and lower stress, helping them choose the decision that supports their future well-being. Future versions of Pathways could integrate emerging sensing capabilities such as wearable sensors that detect stress and energy signals, predictive models that simulate behavioral ripple effects, and environmental context awareness based on daily routines. These technologies could help Pathways better understand how decisions influence well-being over time. Our vision is to help people develop a new awareness of how everyday decisions shape their future well-being.